Oh hey, it's me Chris. Let's discover something new today. Today we are testing bubbles and see if they can be different shapes. But wait, before we jump in, what do you think is gonna happen? Okay, now we can jump in. Okay, so let's flip our bombs. I mean, not bombs. Oh, they got again. Wands, bubble wands. And then we dip them in and see what happens. Pops! Yeah. Yeah, it does.
That didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't. That's strange. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I wonder what we're gonna discover next. Test. Oh, I made it! With a circle! It didn't turn out this shape.